Look there. Look at the color of the light. Look at the color of the crowd. Look there. Can you see there? This guy's from Garage N1, how are you? Galley. Today, the video is a must. Let's go straight to the point. Today, we are going to do here a decontamination here from this steering wheel. Sure, he is quite contaminated, with marks of makeup. Who wears makeup? It's your wife who wears makeup. She's going to do that. And today, the tip is how to decontaminate makeup steering wheel. Right here, people, actually, it's a joke. He has a contamination. We see that there is makeup contamination because it goes whitish, right? Also has the dirt from day-to-day nor impurities, and today we're going to do this decontamination. I separated the delete here. Sure, he is blue, so he's going to do this cleaning here super well. I separated here a detail brush. I separated a brush to brush the tooth. No joke. It's not just for brushing your tooth. Also serves for you to do the cleaning. These corners here on the steering wheel seam part and corners more closed here that the other brush can't get there. Toothbrush she can get here already with greater finish. So let's do this decontamination. Only I will do the following. I'm seeing the reality of the steering wheel here. I don't know how you are seeing there. I will decontaminate only half of it, because then I think it's better for you to understand. Sometimes you think a steering wheel like that, he doesn't get dirt, but he also takes dirt from a bank, a panel, then the steering wheel, mainly because we have direct contact with him. All the time is picking up here. Understood. So it's pretty contaminated. So let's do this decontamination. I'll pass the tape here, and let's start the process here. I'll do a half-to-half right here. Put the tape here on one side. I honked until I got a scare. Ready, I passed a tape here. For us, we are doing this test here more precisely. I will also apply here on the steering wheel. I will do the following. I'm going to do this little part here, and then it's even better for you to see right. I'm going to apply another ribbon here. Ready? Beauty, come on. I brought here a towel, just for us to get everything organized. I'm going to put here in on my legs here. Sure, I will do this cleaning. This cleaning we can do. It is directly right, just so you don't have the risk of us contaminating. A few drops here by the panel. We do here indirectly. First, applies here, in the brush itself. Right, and you already come here. Doing. People without. Look there. Look at the color of the light. Look at the dog alley. Look there, oh. Can you see there? I will already leave the product acting here. People without joke saw. Business is more serious than I imagined here. You think steering wheel doesn't get dirty? He gets dirty like some bank. From the car itself. Ready, look here. I go now. I came now with the toothbrush. And then we get a turbine here in this cleaning. in the corners here. Here inside these. Of this detail here, do steering wheel. That's why the toothbrush is important, because she can penetrate these parts here. Guys, the thing here is blurry, so let's see here now. I will make here a preview here for you to see. Sure. Guys, I will take it here. Let's see if there is or is no difference. Let me just try here because leaked here a little bit right of the product. The tape does not. Didn't help very well. But look at the detail. I don't know if you can see, but look here at the decontaminated piece. Totally black. And see the way she's still dirty. Quite contaminated, whitish. I believe I can give you to see. Look there, guys. I'm going to open the a little here. Look how you did a really nice cleaning already here. I will do it now at the wheel, on the rest of the steering wheel. Now I come with the brush here more. Tougher. People look. This here. Look at this. Or hot, or heat descending. Oh, I think you can see there too. These lines here, inside too. Super important here. These lines look. Look at the broth oozing. I'll come this way. The cloth here to drip here. Beauty ready, I will. That back I haven't rubbed yet. But just for you to see here, I'm going to do the cleaning here. Here. Here where I didn't rub. Oi galley. Here no mexi. This is where we did the decontamination. Look at the look of this thing here. This leather. And look how he's here. So delicate. It goes super well here in this cleaning. I will tell you another product that you can apply here too. In case you don't have the delit. Another place you can is also doing this cleaning, which is also very steeped in dirt. People see this a lot here. It's in this part here. Or to command's right. Of so, windshield cleaner. Look here. How are you here in front? Can you see there? Ready, I will do here. Also here. You come. Let's it act right. A little. And goes here. This here looks people, but you greatly improves your car's look. In these little details, I will rub here. This here gets very contaminated over time. Yes, and not to forget, you can also be applying here, or APC, right? He is beyond biangital. He is a 2. How delicate you can. Are you doing this cleaning? He will also do this cleaning very well. I've done a lot with APC. Sure. Or Sintra Pro. I use your products a lot because we like Vonix products. And let's go. If you want to please us, right, may also please see Paul. That we do hear these reviews from 2 videos showing here too. Galley. And look there. Guy this. Look how beautiful it looks. Clean. I will end up here now. The rest here from the steering wheel, so as not to make the steering wheel so dirty. Right, and follow the video. I will speed up the video, not to get tiring there for you. Okay. Be tanned. Let's take the tape out here, or I've taken the tape out here. Look there, people, for you to see in detail why counting decontaminated. Look how it looks you bring. Is the originality of the leather. Of plastic. Anyway, look there, the before and after. I can't leave a steering wheel like this in half. I'll have to do it all. Not forgetting this part back here. She contaminates also saw. Then, very carefully, let's change here. Oh my God. And look at how handsome he is getting, with a completely renewed appearance. I'm not done here yet. I'm doing this prior cleaning, not to get too dirty. So, we do it step by step. Sure, but it's very good. It works very well. This is a job of patience, saw. No, use you to hurry, no. Here is a thorough work. And then you already come here. The car, thanks guys. You see that the inside's still. She's still dirty. We will have to change position here. Already to be able to do this part here of. It's from the back here from the steering wheel. I will show you the other product, which you can also use in this decontamination. So I show it already here for you. Just end here. I don't charge here in the right aesthetics. This service, only you will sell. Bank cleaning for your customer. You can. This cleaning of the steering wheel is giving him confirmation. Sure, he will stay awake, grateful, because it is a place that we usually neglect. We don't clean. Passes only a cloth sometimes, but such a treatment. It is completely renovated. Gallia's Deli. It is a very obscure product. I'm here doing what? I'm doing. I cover here part of the dial panel to avoid a drop here. Let her fall into an unwanted corner. You can also be doing this cleaning. Do steering wheel, not only from the steering internally, with Sintra Pro. Also right. He works super well. He is subtle. And now we're going to do what? We will do the finishing. We are going to apply protection here. No steering wheel. I will use the hydraulics here. To make this protection on the steering wheel, the piece is already. It's already clean, right? Now we apply protection here to stay on time. Clean steering wheel. Protected steering wheel born. Guys, it's with a lot of heat and a lot of happiness that I'm done with the steering wheel here to show you. And that's it. Split jokes. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. And even the next video was worth